You like your applesauce? You gonna share your applesauce?
Will you share applesauce with Mommy? You share with Mommy?
Thank you.
That's nice of you. Hey, Corban, what's a sheep say? What's a chicken say? Bok, 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 bok. Do you know what a doggy says?
Oh, good.
Doggy says woof, woof, right? Doggy's right there. Do you know what a piggy says? What's a piggy say?
Oh.
No. Does a piggy say oink, oink, oink? Let's give me Grandma and Grandpa. Tell Grandma and Grandma one more time. What's a sheep say?
Bah.
Good job. One more time. Tell them what a chicken says. Go tell Grandma and Grandpa so they know what a chicken says. You're not going to tell them? Oh no, they won't know what a chicken says. Tell them what a chicken says.
Ba, 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 ba.
What does a cow say?
What's a gorilla say? Does a gorilla say, oh, gorilla? What's a gorilla say? Show Grandma and Grandpa what a gorilla says. Good job, monkey.
What's up with the fly?
Uh-oh.
Cut.